I ran into this last week. Here is what fixed it for me. Updating your address with Ally Bank is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Ally Bank website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for personal information or profile. Click on it to proceed to update your address. Step 4. Update your address. Find the section labeled address and enter your new address details. Make sure to double check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your address, you may receive a confirmation prompt. Follow the instructions to finalize the changes. You should also receive an email confirming the update. Remember, if you have any pending transactions, it is a good idea to check that they won't be affected by the address change. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.